So here we are, close to Blue Mountain Ski Resort.
Started the trip.
Which is closed. We're at the wrong parking lot. We're gonna have to walk, I guess, up the highway a little bit because.
I guess there's an entrance right there.
Yeah, well, I don't know if it's connected.
Yeah,
I mean, I guess we could try it.
we can try it.
All right, let's try it. All right. This one, that way.
Yeah. Yeah. Right.
All right, let's climb up. Oh yeah, there's. Yeah, okay. Here we are.
Yeah.
Gonna cross. And then the shelter is like somewhere right here, but I'm gonna try to stay. Maybe the shelter's here.
Yeah.
And the Blue Mountain Trail is like right there. Jack said they run like parallel.
Okay.
So
right.
Find it. He said it like you know, we're not. All right, we made it half a mile. Yeah, looks like a road. Half a mile.
Half a mile, great.
Had to stop.
Actually, you know, half a mile's not bad.
Because the log that we were carrying, yeah, rope fell off, so we tied a bunch of rope that we got from Walmart onto it, so now we're good to go again. Yeah, the stairs are neat.
This has to be a feature.
Yeah. Yeah. Huh? I don't think we need to go anywhere else up here.
What's that?
So I don't think we need to go anywhere else.
No, I'm not going down there.
It's a nice shot. Little Gap Hawk Mat watch. I think someone did this in one day or in one get together.
Why you would think that? I think this probably took 7 days.
It took at least multiple days.
Honestly, that's like,
Very cool.
probably if you get stuck like, or the weather gets bad. That's, I don't whatever that is. That's
Chicken nuggets on the trail would be nice.
that could be I would figure out how to actually.
Assuming it's this way. I don't see them. It's pretty cool.
That's very.
It's like the tower's gonna blow up. Yeah, 2.4.
Oh,
nice. Right. Yeah, we were on that road.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it wants us to go that way, obviously, but the trip's that way.
Yeah.
There's a rock formation.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Dang, look how far those towers are.
Oh shit. That's what 3. I guess that's like 2. That's I guess that's too long.
Makes sense. So I got three and a half. So I'll have lunch here, I guess, if that's cool.
What'd you say?
You want to eat here?
Yeah, let's eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, 'cause we
Yeah, I mean the river's right there, so I So that isn't the other side. We got to go all the way past it, looks like. So.
Yeah, we gotta go on the other side of that.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
And they just confirmation. So, yeah, all right.
.333. We had a late lunch with the hawks.
Yeah.
There's like 8 of them. 8 of them circling around. And they still are down there. Oh, you probably can't see them. I got 3.5 miles.
Yep.
So maybe, I don't know.
Probably 1.5 to the.
1.5 to the Lehigh Gap, and we got to go down, cross over, and tough climb.
At least
then,
that's it though.
Then hopefully we're almost there. About what? Oh, got 4.7. Oh, there's our friend. No, those are different.
No, those are lame birds.
Those are lame birds. So, gotta get all the way down there, cross a river, get on that side of the mountain, and I feel like, I don't know, maybe, I guess we can't see the clearing from here. I thought it faced that way, but maybe not.
It probably does.
But,
She's a beaut.
yeah.
There's the Roman architecture.
In Russian. Someone just hit me right in the face.
That did? Me?
Somehow, like a bee or something. And just announce we've reached the technical part of the trail.
Yeah, right?
The genuinely, dare I say, dangerous part. I'm scooting down this rock. There's a hawk right there.
Not looking at him.
So, well, I mean, maybe we just have to crest this and start going down that side. Like, do you see any weight down there?
No.
So we might have to just kind of get over this.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, yeah. We'll go.
Bridge down there. Wait,
Yeah.
is it? Doesn't look like the same bridge.
Yeah.
It looks so different from up here.
Yeah, from all the way fucking up. Yeah.
And there's a hawk. There's 2 hawks, 3 hawks, 4 hawks. Whoa, 5, 6, 7. Holy heck, we're closer than we were before.
You were. You got
May have actually got them on camera too. They're all freaking right here. Wow. Just gonna enjoy this for a second. It's a little breezy up here. So we gotta cross this bridge, go straight up the mountain there. Gotta get low so I don't blow over. Cross, climb, hopefully set up camp somewhere up there. And then it should be maybe 5 or 6 miles to Big Oven Knob, straight over the ridge. Look like you just disappeared down there. All right. No, you can't see anything. It's the freaking rock.
There you go. Like your butt was pushing this angle.
Oh, I'm gonna steal your nickname.
Yeah, now you're tweaking. Yeah, just like I would like lower your waist so you can sit.
Oh.
They're going at me.
Nice. Is this a road? What the heck?
Winter trail. That's a winter
Oh, there's a
trail.
parking lot there.
Yeah, that's a winter trail.
Oh shit.
Oh, I think that's the parking lot.
Alright, so we should have just parked here.
I know. Yeah, with our giant bags. Like, that's all.
Nice. How close we are. Right there. We were all the way up there like a half hour ago. I mean, it just looks like straight boulders from here, which it was, but jeez. Oh man. Now we gotta climb that.
It's gonna be serious. That's gonna be terrible.
Let's go. There we were, way up there. Alright, we refilled on our water. So I've done 6 miles. It feels like it's been.
Feels like it's been done.
Yeah, and it is.
I mean, honestly, no. Not until we did this thing.
Yeah,
That made it feel like that.
yeah. It's 5:30. So,
We have about like 2 hours left of good daylight.
yeah, I mean, I'm hoping it's. I don't know how high up there we gotta get. I'm assuming the whole thing, but find out. 0.7 to the shelter. A long 0.7. Okay.
Matt made it.
We gotta go.
That's right. That just looks like it's up.
But I also think, you know, if we did that, we'll probably end up climbing back up. So like, instead we're just gonna climb here and then. Ooh, this is a killer. Okay. It's a nice flat spot right there.
There it is, yeah. I mean,
Just in case.
right.
I'm trying to like just start taking notes of
Yeah, same. I saw. I thought
what's
it was
around.
That's all right.
And it'd be nice and like all of this would be soft and.
Yeah, right. I had the tarp.
Oh, nice.
It was in my bag. That's it.
Because I totally like did not bring the footprint.
That's fine. What?
There's people up here. Yeah. Camping.
Yeah, we could, like,
So if you want, I mean, we could either keep going and look, or we could just go right back there.
doesn't matter. If you want, I mean, like we could just walk up a little bit and see. Because I don't know if it's starting to look like.
Yeah.
dunes in the trail. So-
Do you want to dump the packs there, or?
Yeah, let's dump it back here.
All right.
I mean, that's not a trail bed, is it?
Yeah, this ain't bad.
No. Like, pretty tempting.
It's not bad at all.
Honestly. Try it out.
Sure. Fine with me. This is where we're gonna set up. We did walk up to find the clearing up there. It's just up that little ridge, but there are a ton of people there. So this is like a relatively flat spot. There's just one guy that's within eyesight. but it's a solid. The ground is spongy.
Yeah.
We still have a not an unobstructed view, but it's still a view. So, which is fine. Yeah, the view over there is nice. The original plan was we were going to check out the shelter and then try to go to the clearing, see if the clearing was open, because we thought the clearing was a lot closer.
Yeah.
But turns out it's not close.
No.
And there were some people at the shelter anyway, so that didn't look like they wanted to share. So this is a solid plan. All right, 7:45. When did we get here?
Probably like
An hour ago?
no, yeah, maybe, yeah, probably an hour ago.
All right, there's the tent. There's the site. We just got everything set up in the tent. With the, it's supposed to get a little chilly, like 30s. So we have our warm gear, warm bags. Brought the log the whole however many miles, 8 or so. So, gosh darn it, we're lighting it.
I have a 5.
So we built this little ring to make sure that it's low fire, and then we'll put it out. But hope that's okay.
Or I'm gonna use this stainless shovel.
In there. With water to dump in.
Yeah. I think we're good. There's really no wind here. I drank so much creek water. I hope it doesn't give me LaGuardia. Yeah.
We got some, what did we get again?
Chocolate peanut butter
Oh,
whiskey.
chocolate peanut butter whiskey.
Oh, God. Is 12 halfway between 8 and 16? Yeah.
What the heck just hit me in the back? Hopefully nothing. Gonna have a little chicken fajita bowl tonight. Eric's got, I think, pad thai over there. Got some nice Lehigh River water. Oh, that's why I missed my headlamp. My headlamp. There's my chicken tortilla.
Phone is like, it's
Chicken
actually
fajita,
done.
sorry. Your phone's dying?
Because I'm probably gonna play music.
Oh, well, yeah, probably. It is 8:38. And we're hungry, boys.
Warm with a little fire.
Huh?
I said warm too with a little fire.
Yeah. We changed into more appropriate.
Yeah.
Appropriate.
More chill appropriate.
Appropriate garb. I can't see me.
I'm gonna have a big fatty while I wait. I thought you turned it off.
Fire update at. What time is it? 9:24. 9:24. Our log broke open, so I'll just stick it in. Fire's out. Put it out because we're cold. Did our first bear hang over there. Hopefully it's high enough. But what time is it? 9:30 something. 9:30ish, and we're cold. So we're getting in the tent. That's it. 7:24.
so warm. But it's a little chilly this morning. Here's our food. Looks like it survived. I don't know if that's not even high enough, but oh shoot, there's thorns all here that I didn't see last night. Got little scrambled eggs this morning. Got enough, maybe little spider eggs. I don't know.
Maybe that's our scrambled eggs.
Yeah, scrambled spider eggs. Doesn't feel as cold moving around, but there's a slight breeze. The breeze is very cold, but without the breeze, the sun is pretty warm. So I don't know. I don't think we're gonna hang out much. Let's eat, get moving. So we have like maybe 7.5 miles.
Yeah, probably.
7.5 or 8 miles. So we gotta move.
The view is nice.
It is nice.
It's just clear.
Yep. I'm sure it's way nicer up there. But
I hope they say it.
8:17. We're packed for the most part. We're waiting for our eggs, our scrambled eggs, to, I don't know, soak up some water. And we'll be getting on now. We got a beautiful morning, a beautiful hike ahead. Finishing at Bake Oven Knob, where my car is waiting. About 8 miles or so. And that's it.
That's it.
That's all I got. 9:14, we're finally starting.
Probably get there around like 2. Maybe. Maybe less.
I was hoping 1, but I don't know now.
Probably good.
It's a little late, but we'll see how.
We just hightail.
Yeah, we'll see how. Ooh, look at that guy coming in.
Oh, hey.
I don't think he doesn't look like a hawk.
He's stupid. I think he's good, dude. You should know. I should. Oh, that doesn't. Okay, yeah. No, my shoulders. My collarbone is sore. I didn't realize that.
Till just now. All right.
Ooh, that really fucking sucks.
All right. It's a good spot.
Good spot. High spot.
All right. Back to the trail. We had a good spot.
Yeah, we did.
And the view, like here, doesn't seem much different. Like there's still trees in the way.
Yeah, it's a little more open.
It's a little more open.
It's a little better.
It's a little better.
That's alright. Our clothes.
Yeah. Look, probably somewhere else, but
There's a couple.
this is pretty cool.
It's really cool.
Like you couldn't see the river over there.
No. Is that 248? Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, we're going over, I think, the tunnel where the turnpike is.
Right. I mean, you can't see the rocky part of the mountain over there that we climbed down, but like from here, it just looks like a normal mountain with trees. Very cool. Not sure that's about. It's basically the same view, just a little bit further down.
Damn, that does look a little further.
I got 1.42 miles. We're close by. Oh, it's a big ass tower. Trying to get to 3 and have a protein snack.
because those eggs
Didn't do shit.
were not very good. Not filling or good.
Yeah, they were literally needed.
Yeah. Pennsylvania Turnpike, we are 685 feet above the tunnel,
Feels like more than that.
which is pretty cool. I'm trying to make the tunnel collapse.
Yeah.
5 sets of bouncing on it.
Yeah. I'm not gonna be doing 5 sets of bouncing on it.
That's 5 sets of bouncing on the tunnel.
I mean, that's hard. But
Who did what?
he does horror. So
Oh, okay.
The director, he did.
Because the stories a lot of times are really cool.
Well, that's why I want, because I want to know the story of this. Like, I just want.
Keep things going.
Yeah.
And like has to be like quick on their feet, and
Yeah. Ooh.
like this guy's just really good at a couple sittable rocks, so a little snack break. It's 11:17. We've done 4 miles, so we're probably a little, yeah, so we're a little over halfway. So 3.5 miles left, hopefully, but it hasn't been bad.
I mean, I'm glad that we were right that it wasn't too bad.
Right. Well, I'm also glad that we did that climb to get to the clearing instead of saving that for the morning. That would have sucked.
Oh, yeah.
Like going like from the shelter. If we had stayed at the shelter and going all the way
that
up.
would have sucked. That would have sucked if I started over.
Yeah.
I mean, we still would have been screwed.
Yeah. It's been 2.5 hours. I think we're making good progress. It's been pretty easy. It's a little scramble. Slight climb. Oh. The first 4 we got through pretty quick, and then even 5, but last 2.5 have been a drag with the rocks. Dang, it's not looking like it's in great shape. Spring. Okay.
If you're calling it Bake Oven Knob Shelter,
It's pretty small.
it is.
I mean, we definitely won't be able to get the tent in that one. Hopefully a mile to the car.
Hopefully.
All right.
I
All
can't
right.
tell distance at all. Like, I look at the map and I'm like, that looks like it's 3 miles.
But like, I mean, at least, like confirmed, we have like a landmark
Yeah.
that gives us a distance. And we're not just aimlessly wandering through the woods waiting for something to appear. Oh boy. I don't know if you can see on the camera, there are what I'm assuming is hawks,
Yeah, it's gotta be.
like a hawk nest right at the top of the ridge there. There's at least 2, and we saw a couple.
There's some over there.
There's a couple swooping around. It's pretty cool. Well, probably gonna scare them off, unfortunately, but maybe not. Maybe they're used to people. Oh, we gotta climb all the way up right past their house. What? What? Yours was way easier. Why did I do this? Took a nice picture. There's a fire that's currently blowing close to where we stayed, but not where we stayed. So
South.
or
East.
yeah, but we definitely made sure that our our spot was good. The lady up there said that there was another fire at almost the same spot last year. So now half mile to the car, hopefully. Outro. It was a little over 8 miles back to the car. Now we're driving back to Blue Mountain where Eric's car is, and we're gonna go home.
We're gonna go home.
Great trip.
Great trip.
Great trip. Big of a knob, I would only recommend if you're gonna do it the correct way.
Yep. Yeah.
Don't do it the reverse way.
No. Unless you love rocks, don't do it that way.
Unless you're a big rock guy.
Yeah, then stay home.
Yeah. But all in all, very nice trip. It had a little bit of everything.
Good views.
We started off today doing, I think, pretty good. We were going pretty fast.
Good pace for the first 3 miles.
We had a great pace going.
And then we hit a wall, and it was just rocks.
Yeah. Once we hit the rocks, it slowed down considerably. But all in all, great trip.
Great trip.
So that's it. See you next time.
Oh yeah. Kind of see it, but that's where the fire is today.
Yeah, that looks pretty. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, we were right there.
Yeah, that's right where we were. It's nuts.
That's crazy.
It's right. Oh man. Oh look, there's a helicopter dropping
sand.
Dropping something.